If you are looking for a way to make a YouTube intro bumper or a video intro, don't worry, you are on the right video. I'll show you how to make a YouTube intro. So stay close and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump right into it. Okay, my name is Towi. So go to a website called canva.com. Is it up here? Go to your Chrome and type canva.com. Now hit the search button. Go to YouTube, type YouTube intro. You hit Chrome. Now they'll tell you to select. These are the results. They say select anyone from here. Select anyone from here. Okay, let's just say let me use this one. Let me use this one for this video. Let's see. So play. That's a quick intro. So for you to edit this, you can type whatever you want. Live stream highlights. No. Same. Say Towi. Take apps and editing. Take apps. You just try to edit them, change them in whatever way in which you want. You can put, I'm just putting this because this is my intro, this is what I wanted to see. You can put anything. Anything, especially what your channel is talking about. So let's look at that. Okay. Wow, that's great, right? You can click on the layer, then you can either duplicate or change the color here, all of those stuff. So if this is good for you, if you want to save it, you hit this top icon up here, then you hit download, then you will see something here like download. So once you hit it, that's all from me. I hope you love it. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.